Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, happy, and healthy at home. So, in the last video, we were doing chapter number 9, Eating Together. Right? So, in the last video, we have completed A, take the correct answer, and today we are going to do the B part, that is fill in the blanks. Here in the book they have given you help box. I am not writing here the options, you can check it from the book. So now we begin with the first one. When a large group of people eat together, it is known as dash eating. So what it is known as? It is known as community eating. Community eating. Second, dash is a common eating place for the army men and their families. वो कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पर आर्मी मैन और उनकी फैमिली खाते हैं इकट्ठे बैठ के? दैट इज नोन एज मेस. ओके. थर्ड वन, dash is the common oven, that is the common oven or tandoor where women take their own wheat flour to make chapatis. So what do you think, what should be the answer? Answer is Sanja Chulla. SANJACHULLA. Sanja Chulla. Next is fourth one. The community kitchens at temples are known as dash. Bandaras. BHANDARAS. Bandaras. So this your B part is complete. And now we will do the E part, that is your question answers. Okay. Now C part, answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. Question 1, what is community eating? So I want to tell you that this answer is given in a filling the blanks. Okay, this answer is also given in the filling the blanks. So answer for this is when a large group of people eat together, it is known as community eating. Full stop. Okay. So your answer 1 is complete. So question number 2, mention some occasions here is single S, not double S. Occasions, OCCASIONS. Occasion when people eat together. आपको वो चीज़ें बतानी है, वो ओकेजन बताने हैं जब पीपल इकट्ठे बैठ के खाते हैं. सो आंसर some occasions are first wedding. First one is your family weddings, second is your birthday party, third is your Diwali, and fourth is your anniversaries. ANNIVERSARIES, anniversary. So these are the some occasions that when people eat together. Okay, fourth one is not visible, I write down here. Fourth is anniversaries. ANNIVERSARIES. So if you want to write some other, you are most welcome. I will not do wrong. Okay. So next is third question. Question number 3. What is the main aim of midday meal program? So what is the main aim of a midday meal program? So answer is the main aim of midday meal. This will come from the question, okay? Our first point, improve the nutritional nutritional status of children as they get food. They don't need to go home and eat food, okay? And second one is increase attendance and thus reduce drop out. जो बच्चे स्कूल छोड़ देते हैं, स्कूल में नहीं आते हैं, उनको उससे कम करा है, ओके? सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is a boarding school? बोर्डिंग स्कूल किसको कहते हैं? आंसर, अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल आर रेजिडेंशियल मीन्स जो घर में रहते हैं. रेजिडेंस होता है ना आपका, वैसे रेजिडेंटल प्राइवेट schools which means students live and study together at school during academic year. जब पूरा साल ख़त्म हो जाता है तो वो बच्चे स्कूल में ही रहते हैं और अपने वहाँ पे ही खाते पीते हैं और पढ़ते हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर रहते हैं, उसको बोर्डिंग स्कूल कहा जाता है, ओके? नाउ कम्स लास्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the main purpose of a langar in गुरुद्वारा? जो गुरुद्वारा में लंगर किया जाता है उसका क्या मेन पर्पस है? ओके, आंसर, लंगर provide everyone लंगर प्रोवाइड everyone in need of food मीन्स कि वो सभी को खाना देता है। प्रोवाइड इन नीड ऑफ फूड इर्रिस्पेक्टिव मतलब वहाँ पर जात पात वगैरह नहीं देखी जाती है। इर्रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ देयर कास्ट religion irrespective of their caste, religion, class and gender मीन्स कोई भी किसी भी कास्ट का, किसी भी रिलीजन का, किसी भी लड़की लेडी है या कोई भी, वो सब जा सकते हैं। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। थैंक यू, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।